Before you even think about hitting that buy button for the new DJI Avata 360, you need to stop and listen carefully. I've been watching the internet completely lose its mind over this drone for the past 2 weeks. Everyone is talking about the amazing specs and the stunning footage, but almost nobody is having the right conversation. Are you absolutely sure you know what you are buying? Let us talk about a tiny detail that changes everything. The weight. The DJI Avata 360 is not under 250 grams. This might sound like a boring little number, but it has huge real-world consequences. If you live in the US, the UK, or Europe, you know that drones under 250 grams are your best friends. They require far less paperwork. You can fly them in many more locations without needing special permits or government licenses. The Avata 360 completely destroys that friendly category. This is a much heavier and more powerful machine. Because it is heavier, it brings the full, crushing weight of heavy government regulations right to your doorstep. This is no longer just a fun toy to toss in your backpack for a casual trip. It is a serious professional tool. If you travel a lot and hate dealing with drone registration hassles at the airport, this drone is going to change your entire lifestyle. You have to ask yourself if you are ready for that commitment. Now, let us look at the actual camera power. Everyone is screaming about the 8K resolution at 60 frames per second in full 360-degree mode. It sounds amazing, right? But here is the secret. You're not actually going to upload an 8K file to your audience. Nobody does that. The real magic of this high resolution is how you use it as a buffer in your editing timeline. When you bring that massive video file into your software, you can reframe your shots. You can zoom in incredibly close. Because you started with an 8K file, your final 4K video stays incredibly sharp and crisp. If this drone only shot in 4K, all of your zoomed-in shots would look soft, blurry, and totally unprofessional. This massive resolution gives you absolute creative freedom. You can literally just fly the drone and point the camera wherever you want after the flight is over. It captures the entire world around it all at once. But the camera is not even the most impressive part. The most underappreciated spec on this entire machine is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Think about the older Avata 2. It did not have sensors protecting it on all sides. If you decided to fly through a dense forest or near some tight trees, you were completely relying on your own thumbs and your own skill. One wrong move, and you crashed hard. The Avata 360 changes this equation completely. It uses advanced LiDAR technology to see everything in its surroundings. LiDAR is basically magic for drones. It helps the drone hover perfectly still, even in very low light conditions. It works perfectly in dark forests. It works amazingly inside buildings where GPS signals are weak or completely gone. This makes the Avata 360 a much safer drone for beginners who are just learning to fly. It also takes a huge amount of stress away from professional filmmakers who need to get close to subjects indoors. DJI also did something genius with the physical hardware. They added a mechanical rotating camera mechanism just to protect the glass. When you land a drone, the lens assembly physically turns inside the body. This totally prevents scratches on those incredibly expensive optics. And speaking of the lenses, they are completely replaceable. They only cost about $21 each. This is a massive deal. On almost every other 360 camera on the market, one single scratch means the entire camera is ruined and goes in the trash. On the Avata 360, if you hit a wall, you just unscrew the lens, put a new one on at home, and keep flying. This is a huge quality of life improvement. You can fly aggressively. You can fly close to walls and concrete without living in constant fear. If you're already in the DJI ecosystem, there's even more good news. The Avata 360 is fully compatible with the Goggles 3 and the Remote Controller 3. If you already own that gear, buying just the drone itself is a very attractive deal. It starts around $459 for just the core unit. It also has a secret weapon called single lens mode. You do not always have to shoot huge 360-degree files. You can use it just like a standard cinematic drone when you want to. This versatility means your money is working much harder for you. It really feels like having two completely different drones packed into one single body. If you're a solo content creator, this is a dream come true. But here comes the darkest cloud over this entire release. If you live in the United States, you need to listen very carefully right now. The Avata 360 is coming, but the road is very rocky. DJI is currently facing severe new restrictions from the FCC. The good news is that this specific drone cleared its authorizations right before the latest bans took effect. This means it legally can be sold. However, official retail availability at major stores might be heavily delayed. You might be forced to buy it from random third-party sellers at first just to get your hands on one. But the biggest and scariest issue is the loss of DJI care in the US. Without that official insurance policy, you are entirely responsible for every single crash. If you break a motor or snap an arm, you must budget for your own repairs and try to find your own spare parts. You are flying entirely without a safety net. So what is the honest truth? In my personal opinion, the DJI Avata 360 is a totally revolutionary tool. It completely changes the relationship between the drone pilot and the final editing process. It is not perfect. It struggles a bit in very high winds because of its shape. But overall, it is an absolute creative beast. If you want to create those impossible, mind-bending shots, this is easily the best tool available on the market right now. It offers true professional features at a price point that actually makes sense for most serious creators. The simple fact that you can replace the lenses yourself makes it worth buying. This is a drone that will stay relevant and useful for a very long time. It is a highly solid investment for any tech-focused filmmaker out there. If you liked this video and found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your drone flying friends, and make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss my future updates. Keep flying smart, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one.